conference room of this Tokyo office converts into a place where workers can get some shut-eye. They're encouraged to snooze for about half an hour to recharge and refresh for the rest of the day. The company began the initiative 5 years ago to see whether it would help staff perform better.
The previous company I worked in, they didn't have anything like that, so here it's just very nice to have like 1 hour nap.
I can concentrate more in the afternoon.
We're receiving positive feedback from our employees. They can get back to work with clear minds just like they have in the morning after sleeping.
Power naps are becoming the trend among businesses.